The big dog, Roman Reigns, is on his way, and Roman did tell us that he'd give us a little insight on who his opponent for SummerSlam will be, and here he is. Wait, Roman, watch out! Ah! Someone get this off him! He's out here! We need help! Paramedic! Oh my God! Don't move!
Guys, we gotta get into his room. Okay? Come on. Guys,
It's okay.
Bro, you all right? Come on, let's get you checked out. You okay?
Come on.
I got people accusing me for trying to take out Roman Reigns. So the show is getting shut down until I get the apology that I deserve. Roman's in the parking lot, so how about I go greet his ass?
Hey, you got my name in your mouth a lot lately, but I ain't gonna do nothing. I'm standing right here. I'm about to see something. You must be crazy.
Get a medic out here! Get a medic!
Get some help, come on.
Calling 911.
Get somebody out here. Get out here. All right, man, I gotta go. Hold on a second.
All right, I need everybody out. No, buddy, you ain't going nowhere. I saw you in that hallway, so that makes me assume that you did it, or you know exactly who did it.
I don't know who did it. But if I did, I still wouldn't tell you a damn thing.
Who did it? Tell me who did it! I want a name! Run! Who did it? Roman.